In this video, we're going to take a close-up look at Legacy's low-pro clamps. Now, these were designed specifically for a T-track, or better yet, a T-slot table. However, they can be used in a lot of different applications, and they offer a lot of advantages over traditional clamps. You start by setting the stops. Now, these can be in three different positions. One with the bite on the high side, one on the low side, and on the side of it is a smooth clamp so that it doesn't mark the material. Once you have the two stops in place, then you're going to set the gap in the clamp to about 1/8 of an inch. And you'll slide the clamp into place against the material. And tighten the clamp until it touches the wood. Then you're going to tighten the clamp an additional 1/2 of a turn to secure the part. A few of the applications where you can use the low-pro clamps would be for a T-slot table with standard components, a T-slot table with odd-shaped components because you can clamp from any direction, securing the low-pro clamps to a spoil board using screws, a setup or storyboard table with threaded inserts. This technique is really useful when you build a project and later you want to build it again. You simply cut the blanks to the proper size, set up the Z0 surface to the setup table, set the XY datum position to the corner of the part, because they're all the same, and start cutting the components. Now you can also set up the low-pro clamps when you're using a spoil board instead of a T-slot or T-track table. And so you have a kind of odd shaped part. You might want to do something with something like this. We can take a spoil board and we'd simply take a screwdriver or a driver with the screws and put into here. So we can mount these anywhere we want on the table, on the spoil board. Once the low-pro clamps are secure, then we'll just tighten this down until it touches the wood and then go an additional 1/2 a turn. And that part is secure and ready to go. Legacy's low-pro clamps are a versatile and easy-to-use solution for holding workpieces in place. They offer a number of advantages over traditional clamps, including a low-profile design, multiple mounting options, and quick and easy use. If you're looking for a better way to hold workpieces for CNC machining or other applications, Legacy's low-pro clamps are a great option. To order your low-pro clamp, simply call Legacy at 801-491-0010.